checking answer of division. We can use the following relation to check the result of division. So divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. So what happened when we are, this is a multiply and we are adding this one, we got this one answer, that is a dividend. If it is a dividend, is answer is correct, the checking answer is the correct. So here it is what, 15 divided by 6. So 6. First we have to take one digit, that is 1. We can't subtract, so we are taking 5. So now we have to tell the tables, then up to 15. So 6 3 is 18. So we have to take 6 2 is 12. So 15 minus 12. So 5 minus 2 means that is a 3. So 1 minus 1 0. So 3 is what? Remainder and 2 is a quotient. So how we are checking now? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. So divisor is 6, the quotient is 2. 6 plus remainder 3. 6 into 2, 12 plus 3, that is a 15. The dividers have divided. So hence the answer is correct. Now division by 2 and 3 digit numbers. Now we are dividing by 3 digit numbers. Let us see first the example, that one. Divided 38 by 3. Now start with the tens divide. This is a divide 3 tens by 3. Now what we have to do? First here it is what? Divided by 3 means that is a divisor. 3 what? Divisor. So 38 is a divide. So what we have to do? First we have to take a tens place, not ones. In multiple and we are addition, subtraction, we are coming from ones place and we are moving on 10 and 100. Here we have to move 10 ones like this. Okay, ones place we are, here it is a tens place we are seeing. So 3 means we can devise. So 3 ones are 3. So we have to subtract. Well, subtract means what? Divisions is repeating the repeated subtraction. So 8 we have to borrow down. Then what happened? 8 is coming and again we have to tell the tables, that is once we are bringing down 8 once down and again we have to tell the tables. Now 3 3s are 9. So we have to move back, that is 3 2s are 6. So minus, you have to do the minus that one, that is 8 minus 6 means 2. 2 is what? That is a remainder and 12 is a quotient. Next exercise, that is a example. Next example, that is a divided 486 by 4. So what this one divides by 2 digit and 3 digit. Here it is a 3 digit and here it is a 2 digit. Yes, no? So now we will start. Okay, see, the 4 is a divisor and dividend is a 486. Now first start the 100 place. First we have to move 100 place, 10 place and 1s place in division. So what we have to do? First we have to say the tables and 4 is coming means 4 ones are 4. Again we have to push bring down 8, that is a tens place, and again you have to tell the tables because here it is a bigger. So 4 to the 8. Then 0. Again we have to subtract 0. Again we are bringing down the ones place down. Then 6. Then 6 to the 8. We can't do this one, and to what we have to do? Take C. That is a 6 is there. See the 4 to the 8. Okay, sorry, that is a 4 to the 8. It will not come, and 4 ones are 4. That is 6 divided by the 6 minus 4 means 2. 2 is a remainder. Okay, let us see the example, the exercise part. The exercise 6.6, the first one and second one we will see here, okay, in notebook. Now exercise 6.6, first one is the long bit, they are telling check your answer. So we have to check our answer. So 97 divided by 9. So what we have to do? Take tens place, we have to take first. 9 ones are 9, that is what? 9 ones are 9 what? 9. So 9 minus 9 0. 7 we have to bring down, that is a ones place. So we can't this one divide. So what we have to do? We have to put 0 here. So quotient is 10 and remainder is 7. Now we will check. Dividend is what? Divisor into quotient in plus remainder. 9 into 9 is a divisor. The quotient is a 10 and remainder is 7. So 9 into 10 plus 7. 9 tens are 90 plus 7 97. Now 89 divided by 4. So we have to do this one. 4 to the 8 and again ones place we are bringing down, and 4 to the 8. Then again it is a 1 is a remainder, and q means the quotient 22. We have to check this one answer. So divisor, that is a 4 into 22 plus 1. 4 22 is 88 and plus 1 89. The answer is correct. Now 63 divided by 3. So 6 ones are 6 and 3 we are bringing down the ones place. Then 3 is not going, so we have to put here 0. So that is a 10 is what? The 10 is quotient. Okay, R is what? Remainder. That is a 3 is a remainder. We have to check the answer. So divisor, that is 6 into 10 plus 3. So 60 plus 3 and 63. So 56 divided 5. So 11 is a quotient and R is a remainder. So 55, the 5 into 11 plus 1, 55 plus 1, 56. So 74 divided by 3. 3 is a divisor. 74 is a dividend. Okay, 7. First we have to take a tens place, and 7 to the 6. 1 is remainder. That is a, again we have to, 1 is now we are not, this is a this is not divisible, so we are taking bringing down that ones place, that is 14. So 3 for the 12 and 2 is a remainder. So again we have to check this one. 3 into 24 plus 2, 72 plus 2, that is a 74. 85 divided by 4 means what? 4 is a divisor and 85 is a dividend. So 4 to the 8. Okay, then 0 we have to subtract, and 4 we are bringing down, that is a ones place, and 4 ones are 4, 1 is a remainder. Then we have to check this one. The answer is 85. Now 6 1 same. 6 1 is a 67 by 6. 6 is a divisor. So we are this is a, we are doing this one division, and afterwards 11 is a quotient and 1 is a R. The R is a remainder. So when we are checking this one answer, 60 into 11 plus 1, 66 plus 1, that is a 67. Same 96 divided by like this, the answer is 96. So the answer is correct. And 826 divided 4. So 4 is a divisor and 826 is a dividend. So 4 to the 8, and again we are bringing this one. This is a 100 place, and again we are moving on tens place, and 2 we can't divise, so we have to bring down again ones place, 26. Again, that is a, when we are bringing this one, we have to put 0. Yes, no? Again we have to tell the tables. 4 6 are 24. 2 is a remainder. Again we have to check this one. 4 into 206 plus 2, that is 224 plus 2, that is 226. Then 527 divided by 5. So we have to divide. This is a divisor. 5 is a, and 5 ones are 5. Then 0 minus, we are 5 minus 5, that is a 0, and 2 is bringing down the tens place. We can't divise this one, so we can't divide. Then what we have to do? We have to put this here 0. So here it is a 0. Again we have bringing down ones place, that is a 7. Now 5 5 is a 25. The 2 is a remainder, and quotient is 105. So 100, that is a 5 into 105 plus 2. So what that one? 525 plus 2, that is a 527. Now 423 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4. Again 2 we are bringing down. We can't divide this one. Again we are putting 0. Again we are bringing down ones. So it is a 23. We can divide this one. 4 5 are, that is a 20. So what we have to do? We have to subtract this one. The 3 minus 3, the 3 minus 0 means 3. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So 3 is a remainder. So Q is, that is a quotient. Then what we have to do? We have to check the answer. 4 into 105 plus 3. So 4 into 105 means 420 plus 3, 423. Now 729 divided by 7. 7 is a divisor. 729 is a dividend. Now we have to divide. 7 ones are 7. So 0. Again we are bringing down tens place, that is a 2. We can't divide this one, so we are putting 0. Again we are bringing ones place, that is a 9. 29. 4, the 7 4s are 28. So 9 minus 8 means 1. 1 is a remainder. The quotient is 104. So 7 into 104 plus 1. 7 100 means what? 728 plus 1, 729. So the answer is correct. And exercise that one. Divide the following using the long division method. They are telling find the Q and R. So here it is a 665. 65 divided by 6 means 6 ones are, that is a 6 is a divisor, and the dividend is a what? 665. 6 ones are 6, and we have to bring down 6 1, that is a tens place, and again 6 ones are 6, again we have to bring down 5. 5 it is a smaller, so we can't divide, so 5 is a remainder, and quotient is 1100, that is a 110. 110. Now 797 divided by 7. So we have to divide this one. 7 ones are 7, 0, and 9 is a bringing down, that is a tens place. 7 ones are 7, again 9 minus 7 means 2. Again we have to bring down here, that is a 7. So 27. So 7 3s are 21, 6 is a remainder, and quotient is 113. 487 divided by 4 means we have to divide. The answer is 121, the quotient, and remainder is 3. Again it is 981 divided by 9 means that is quotient is 109. Answer is, the remainder is 0. And 479 divided by 4. 4, then 4 is a divisor and this is a dividend, and again we have to divide this one. 4 ones are 4, 0, and 7 bringing down, that is a tens place. 7 ones are 4, again 7 minus 3 means, that is a 7 minus 4 means 3, again we are bringing ones place, that is a 39, that is 7 9s are 36. So 9 minus 6 means 3. 3 is a remainder, and Q is what? The quotient 119. 985 divided by 3 means 3 ones are 3. That is this is a divisor and this is a dividend. Then 3 3s are 9. The 9 minus 9 means 0. We are bringing the tens place 8, and again 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 means 2. Then again we are bringing ones place, that is a 5. 25. 3 8s are 24, and 5 minus 4 means 1, and 2 minus 2 means that is 0. 1 is a remainder. Quotient is a 328. Then this one is same. 610 divided by 3 is, that is quotient is 303, and 303, and remainder is R. Then last one is this 640 divided by 6. The quotient is 106, and the answer, that is the remainder is 4.